Umbria is a one-of-a-kind place. When we built this place, we built it with my love. We built it with every bit of knowledge that I've had over the 55 years that I've been in this business. We worked hand in hand, Manoli and myself. I told him exactly what I wanted to do. I told him the colors that I wanted. These panels open up right here in the middle. And I told him I wanted it air conditioned and heat, so it would be used all year round.
Frank knew what he wanted. He wanted very specific characteristics. It was followed by the statement, I want the best of the best.
Umbria is the steakhouse. Today we're here at Mia, and Mia is the roof deck, which we're at right now. And why did I name it Mia? Because it's mine. All right, Mia means mine. This is the only roof deck in the north end of Boston. I said, I have to make it a wow. So I thought Boston Pergola would be the one to make it that wow.
When he explained to us that he wanted a roof deck that's never existed in the way that he described, and he wanted a dining area that would allow the flexibility of open sunlight, shade, shelter from the elements, heating, cooling, lighting effects. So we developed a lot of things that we had never done before. In this particular project, what we learned is that with every obstacle, we were just problem solving the whole way. This project took us nearly 8 months to complete. It was the largest project we've worked on, and we learned a lot of things. We expanded our horizons with all the challenges. But the end result is marvelous. It's something that nobody's seen before in our region.
He understood what it means not just to put a pergola up, but to work with a restaurateur, and it just couldn't be more perfect.